Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don declare state of emergency for public schools across the state as im tok say the condition of the schools too dey bad. The governor carry waka with some officials go check schools for Okpebholo and Ego local government areas for Edo South Senatorial District and come show concern say the facilities for even the urban areas no dey in good condition. E come tok say Edo pikins dem deserve better learning place wey go help dem bring out the best in dem. Governor Okpebholo come also remind the people say for im campaign, im tok say if im win, im go declare state of emergency for schools wey no get modern facilities and no dey good for learning. During the check waka, Oga Governor and im team come visit Amide Secondary School for Okpebholo and Evareke Secondary School for Ego, where the governor yarn say the situation no go dey accepted and im come promise Edo people say im go do something and im dey start with these schools. E come tok say the erosion wey block road to Amide Secondary School and the bad infrastructure for Evareke Secondary School no go continue, say work go start to fix all this wahala sake of say our pikins dem deserve quality education and im go make sure say e happen.
Look at these schools. Children are here and for me it's not acceptable at all. All I need to do, even when I was campaigning, remember I keep telling everybody I'll declare state of emergency on schools. And this is, I'm going to start from here and where we went today. So from tomorrow, they will start working here. We want to face this school back. Look at, no fence, nothing. Then the first two we went to, remember, we have to stop on the road because there is no road. Erosion is coming in. We are going to fix that school. We are going to make sure that they have good road. Also, the children are part of us. If we don't have quality education, we can't be where we are today. So we have to provide for them.
Edo State Commissioner for Education, Dr. Padi Yamu, come explain say the governor they personally go check the schools to understand the problems where the students they face and then they committed to solve the problems of schools where no they in good condition and not get enough facilities.
When we came on board, we got wind of the information that some of our students here have this harsh condition. And as you all know, the governor is somebody who wants every Edo child to have access to good structure and good teachers. So immediately we gave him that brief. He said, let's go so that he can see for himself, because he wants to feel the plight of the students. He wants to feel the plight of the average Edo child so that we can together profile solution. So the governor is here this morning in his usual manner, practical governance, to show Edo people that they deserve the best, and he's going to ensure that they get the best. You can count on that. The governor has already given us a stare that even everybody in Edo State, as far as you are an indigene of Edo State, whether you are physically challenged or not, you should have access to quality education, and everybody is going to be carried along. That's the order of the governor. You can see for obvious reasons. If you look around, you see that the buildings are dilapidated, the roof, leaking roof, no chairs. People are sitting on the floor in this modern day and age. And the worst in all the situation is that this school is not in the rural area. It's in the urban area. So what's the excuse? So things are going to change. And I can make bold to say that with the kind of governor we have, joy is here.
Zain Ebehita, the chairperson of the State Secondary Education Board, Chukman say Evareke Secondary School not get good learning environment and come praise the governor for his visit, say the school don't make many requests for help before.
Ever since I assumed the office, I came to inspect the place. I discovered the place is really, the condition of this place is not really conducive for our students. So though they've written several letters to us, and I presented the matter to you not too long ago, I'm so grateful that you came out for them today. I really want to appreciate you for this. Thank you so much, sir.
Madam Mary Izewinge, the Vice Principal for Student Affairs for Evareke Secondary School, contact says she dey frustrated with all the challenges. Says since 2022, nothing don't change. She come here and say them don't beg for help plenty times, even try fix the schools by themselves, but rain wash all the work through away. She constantly talk say them even ask the last government for help, but them not do anything.
I spent 3 years here. I was posted here 2022. So since I came, the situation has not been encouraging. And we've cried out several times. Nobody has come to our aid. So learning in this school is not really conducive, especially during the rainy season. So my principal had to do a palliative work here. But because of the first rain this year, so the wind came and took off the roof. So the roof has been like this until, I think sometime 2 weeks ago, my principal had to call somebody to cover part of that place. That's where we are now presently. Then if you look at the building up there, that's the SS3 class. So we are even preparing for exam very soon. I find out that the rules are there. So we are just praying that something will happen before the commencement of the WAEC exams.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesoli, TMC News.